Maybe have a. Ready? Good. Make a video, by the way. Please video.
Don't move hand. Mashallah.
The baby and mother, they're feeding. When they feed, that means there's going to be a baby coming.
They already have a 2 baby inside.
So the daddy feeds the mother.
And mother feeds the baby.
Yes.
That's the house, breeding box.
How about the pigs?
Hmm?
I do not know why they shake their heads.
So they shake their head so food can come out. So this is the male feeding the female. See that?
Oh.
So he shake the head to take the food out of his belly. Look, now female's gonna go and the mummy gonna go inside and feed the 2 babies.
Soon. Although
Very soon.
I just saw that food just come out already. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
So the daddy is the olive, which you can see.
Yep, daddy is the olive and mother is the yellow.
So soon, very, very soon, the yellow is going to go. Look what happened to my shoe. Look. What happened to my bowl?
Yes.